Hello everyone, this is Juan with King Credit. Give him return the first 30 days. This is what we do, man. This is what is going on over here. Okay, February 10th. You see this? February 10th, I pull all her, you see? All to the credit bureau. I pull it. Look what she had. 13 late payment and 10 collection. If I keep continuing down, look at this. Look at all of this. Okay? Collection, 10 collection, okay? And we got late payments. That was yesterday. She got in touch with me. I told her estimate it was gonna be what I think it was what 2,500, because we got a lot of stuff to remove on all three credit bureau. I don't just work with Experian, all three credit bureau. And she told me, you know what? It doesn't matter about the taxes. Credit is all my life. Let's get it done. She paid me. You see? And look at this. February 11, just one day. Just in one day. Boom. From 13 late payment, 7 late payment, from 10 collection, 4 collection left. So that means collection, 6 was removed. And 7 late payment was removed too. This is what we do, man. We give result real fast. People do not understand the best thing you could do is invest in your credit. Just one day, more than 10 negative information removed in just 24 hours. You see this? I'm gonna go back to the credit bureau. She got in touch with me February 10. Look at this. 13 late payments and collection. I'm gonna go up today, February 11, 2020, boom, go down. Look at this, 7, okay? And if you keep looking at this over here, go down, 4 collection. You gotta be kidding me, man. And it just have been one day, 24 hours. Look what happened. And we still got 29 days left to go. Give us a call, man. Fix your credit, change your life. King Credit Repair will give you a return in the first 30 days. 321-438-3028, 321-438-3028. Call my office, 585-589-8111, extension 0. Can't beat us, man.